If you were a competitive athlete in football, you would want to be coached by the best of the best. You would want to be coached by Super Bowl champion coach that has multiple rings, that has been there before, that has a proven track record and a proven team and a proven system behind him. In day trading, we have a Super Bowl level coach teaching us every single day how to master the skill of day trading. On Friday, here's our coach, Eric of Spydaytrading. He has put out the plays for the first trade of the morning. As you can see, here we have 13 minutes into the open. He has shown you a bullish scenario and a bearish scenario. You never know which way the market is going. So anybody who has a bias, it's not good. You always want to be prepared for both sides, the offense and the defensive side. So here's the offensive playbook. Eric is saying, look for the cup to close, look for liquidity to be built in the teal algorithm, price to break up, retrace, and then take the long. On the flip side, here's your bearish scenario. If the bears take over for the first play of the day, this is what you're looking for. Liquidity being built in the orange algorithm, price to break down below the 5-day moving average, and then create a structure to be able to take price further south if the sellers appear. You never know who's going to show up on any given day on the trading floor. You got to prepare for both scenarios. And this is what a Super Bowl style coach in day trading will teach you. Not having a bias in one single direction. So this is 13 minutes into the trading day. He's already identified those algorithms, gave you those two setups. As price continued 3 more minutes into the day, so 16 minutes into the trading day, he's identified also a pink algorithm. So he's added the pink algorithm for a bullish scenario. If the bulls can break up above the 20-day moving average, look for structure, and then break the pink to take price higher. Now I'm going to show you a replay of Friday right from that point, 13 minutes. The replay is starting. You see no side has chosen a direction yet. Buyers or sellers have not chosen a direction yet. We have both playbooks up on the screen. So we're waiting and watching to see who breaks out. The yellow is your 5-day moving average, and the pink line is your 20-day moving average. Price is consolidated in between those two. Now you see the first breach of pink right there. Pink has breached out. So now we could discard this scenario, the bearish scenario, and we'll bring up the two bullish scenarios that Eric showed us. Now we're looking for price. Now you see the buyers have appeared. Now we're looking for price to breach above this 20-day moving average. You could see the pink algorithms have already been in place. You see price touch that pink algorithm, penny perfect, touch that algorithm. Now we're looking for a retrace below that 20-day moving average to create a structure to continue higher. Now that we've seen that there's a bullish structure, we can now prepare to take longs. And now you see price breaking down, building liquidity in the teal algorithm as the playbook. Now here you go. Right there is where price breaks out of the pink algorithm. Look at that playbook. Up, pink, down to create the structure, break out of pink, and now there's your long entry. You now have confirmation. So you're now certain that the bulls are in control. You're not guessing. This is the way a Super Bowl level style coach teaches day trading, and this is how you should learn.